Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on your laptop. To do this, you can either use a combination of keys, Windows plus Shift plus R, so 3 buttons, Windows, Shift and R at the same time, will result in this bar appearing at the top of your screen. Otherwise, you can use print screen button and then switch to the record option. And once you switch to the record option, make the selection on your screen which is gonna be recorded. You can adjust the size of your selection by dragging the corners and sides of it. By clicking this button right here, you will unmute your microphone, and this icon right here will mute your system audio. Once you're ready to start, click right here, then let this tool access your microphone, and in a couple of seconds the recording will start. Now, in order to pause the selection, click right here. To stop and save it, click the square, right square icon, and to delete the video without saving, click right here. Now everything that happens within this area is gonna be recorded, and we're gonna see it on the screen recording. To stop, click the right square icon, and in the preview you can trim your video using this quick tool, and you can edit your video in Clipchamp by clicking right here. Once you're happy with the result, you can save this video by clicking right here. We can also play the preview. And if you want to find your screen recording, go to File Explorer, Videos, Screen Recordings, and here is the screen recording that we made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.